today you'll be driving with me from downtown Kingston to Portmore, going to the tax office to deal with some business. You know, Portmore branch is the only branch that is open on the weekend. So currently we're passing where they're still working to extend the road downtown. So if you remember my last video that I came through downtown, that section wasn't so narrow. But yeah. So I'll just be showing you the road. Just be driving with me to Portmore. And pray for me seminar last, cause everybody knows Portmore is one big confusion. And this will be my first time trying to find the tax office. So it's a bright and sunny day today, clear skies. Clear skies, barely have any clouds in the sky. So we're now heading towards Portmore Toll. We're on Marcus Garvey Drive. We are now on the Portmore Causeway, going over the little river. Last time we come up Portmore toll at 220. Not bad. Take it on. after you come out of the toll and drive round a back road. Back road, back road. So we know at the toll, my size vehicle is $260. If you drive a van, you're I think it said 440 or 460. Never to a look on it. So we're turning on Port Henderson Road. That side would have taken me into the Portmore Center. But we're now go Portmore Center today. We're going back road, back road.
We're going back road early morning.
Early morning, back road.
Early midday.
So welcome to Portmore. Why is it telling me to stop? Where are the people coming from that I'm stopping for? So this side of Portmore, Port Henderson, has a lot of guest house. A whole lot of guest house around this side. So if you're looking somewhere cheap to stay in St. Catherine or close to Kingston for a little while, then Port Henderson can be your stop. Wow.
You never know that. You never know that.
So they have both guest house around here?
They have it.
That's why they prostitute them around here.
And then,
Because when you buy, you can just rent a room.
right there. See that lesson?
When you buy, you just rent a room. Alright guys, so I'm looking for some landmarks according to Google Maps. So I am looking for Portmore Seventh-day Adventist Church, Tire Warehouse, and Rapid True Value Hardware. Once I pass those, then I'll go back to Google Maps to see where my turn is. So that's Rapid True Value over there. So that's one. Tire Warehouse is coming up. So Yes, guys. So there was a brief break
Turn
in
left onto Braden Parkway.
videoing. You can hear Miss GPS in the background who got us lost, had us going around in circles. So now we're trying again. We are now on, I think,
continue on Braden Parkway for 1 kilometer.
as she just said, Braden Parkway.
Another place.
The Sovereign Village there. I never said, I must say the blue building here.
So, you see there. See name there.
You see how Jamaica tax office was. Back in the reception.
We pass it and we have about to never see it.
We never come so far. We
never
turn
come
down.
200 meters, turn left.
Instead of we never turn. We come out here so at the intersection here.
You don't want to see over there. You don't want to see over there.
You see that? We did come out this and turn left instead of right.
You're not going in there so far today. This is a no. Because I fish I left here from 6 o'clock.
The whole tax officer won't
Bank weekend. Jesus.
At the tax office. Surprisingly, if you saw in that last video how full, how long the line was outside of the tax office, and I honestly thought I wasn't going to get through, but I'm in and out in less than 15 minutes. So I parked over by Sovereign Village, so I'm just walking back over to the car because the tax office parking space was ridiculous. Because of the process I was doing, I didn't have to join the line. Like there's literally probably about 50 or more persons outside of the tax office. But when I went inside, based on what I was doing, I was the second person. Got through, heading back to the car. So guys, we are now about to leave Portmore. So that's the end of the drive with me to Portmore. Oh, that the car that passed a while ago and I let the car go. Yeah, so we're heading back towards the toll booth. Finish with business. It was nice having you guys with me on the journey. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this drive out with me. Comment below anywhere you want us to drive to and I'll let you know if we can go there. And of course, if you're here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become a member of the Naturally Told family. So yes, that's it for today. See you again on the next video. Until then, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally. Bye.
Walk out your majesty, dressed in